Everyone wants to add those cool hair trends they see on Pinterest. But the real problem is that even if you show the photo to your barber, your hair never looks the same. The reason is that without real layering, your hair has no direction, no movement, no flow. Most barbers do not know how to do layering. Look at these photos. In the first photo, the hair is not layered. That is why it just falls straight back. But in the second photo, see how the hair flows back with shape and movement. This is the power of clean layering. It totally changes your face and your style. So today, I'm going to show you a simple 5-step process that will give you a perfect layered cut every single time. The first step to growing long hair is the awkward phase. You have to grow your hair for 3 months without cutting it. No trimming, no cutting, no fixing the sides. This phase is very awkward. Your hair will not listen to you. It will stick out in random directions. Sometimes it will fall on your forehead and the next day it will puff up. Even sleeping will feel uncomfortable because the hair keeps falling on your face. And honestly, sometimes you will feel like a messy caveman. But this is the truth. Everyone who has long, beautiful hair has gone through this phase. There is no shortcut for this. If you want clean, flowy, and attractive long hair, you have to survive this 3-month phase. And because you are thinking of growing long hair, you have to take proper care of it from the very start. Shampoo, conditioner routine, oiling, brushing, frizz control, all of this is important when you want to grow your hair. Growing hair is easy, but finding a good barber is the real challenge. Most local barbers only know basic cuts, short fade on the sides, a little length on top, and that is it. But long hair needs layers, movement, and shape. Most normal barbers do not know how to cut layers. You should stay away from barbers who only do fades, who cut your hair too fast, and who do not understand the structure of long hair. You need a barber who can cut hair with scissors, not just with a trimmer, who can shape hair based on texture, layers, and your face shape. But the problem is, finding a skilled barber is very hard, especially if you are growing long hair for the first time. Now you have 2 options. The first option is to go to a good, expensive salon. Professional stylists have good experience cutting layers. They understand long hair and they can bring out the full potential of your hair. If you can afford it, this is the easiest option. The second option is to guide an average barber step by step. If you do not want to pay salon prices, then you have to guide your normal barber in the exact right way. Tell them how to cut layers, where to remove bulk, and how much length to keep. But do not worry. In the next step, I will tell you how to guide your barber so that you get a perfect layered haircut every single time. Getting the hair properly sectioned. Tell your barber to divide the hair into 4 sections: top, left side, right side, and back. Every professional barber does this before a layered cut. Keep the top hair shorter than the sides. For a long hairstyle and good flow, your top hair should be a little shorter and the side hair should be kept longer so it frames your face. Tell your barber to keep the front hair so that it reaches the tip of your nose. Keep the sides longer than the top so the hair falls down naturally with a nice flow. Add texture to the back. When hair is completely straight and smooth, it looks flat and lifeless. But if you add a little texture, the hair will look natural and flowy. Tell the barber to add texture to the back using scissors or a razor. Texturing is very important because it gives movement, removes bulk, and creates natural curves in the back. Without texture, the hair looks flat and straight, which ruins the overall look. Tell them to add light texture in the back so it flows naturally. So friends, if you found this video even a little bit helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.